She's doing a fila dough. There is like a dough, and she cooked this dough on the top of the stove. This is, and when the dough is ready, it's become like a crepes. So we buy it by 1 kilo, 2 kilo, 3 kilos. When we go home, we cut it into tiny pieces, and we prepare a chicken on the top. So this is, we serve the chicken on the top.
This is a camel. You can sell the meat of the camel here. So this is the only one here. Okay. This is all the dyes at the top here. Oh, there is a little river here, but not much down there. So anyhow, we're going to go back in here then. Just walking down some more streets here. Everything.
Here it's done by
It's all
hand.
copper.
Copper. So the people, they work harder, and once it's very busy, there is a special musicality. You hear tack 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 of this copper. So in this copper square, there is 2 historical buildings. Down here, this is a madrasa.
Now we're up at the top. We're going to have a little tea or coffee. All the copper works are down there at the bottom. And there's windy steps coming up, so I had to be very careful. But yeah, well, I just ordered some Moroccan tea here. So we're going to have that, have a little something up here. Look at this place is backing me here. We got carpeting back here. Guys taking our order there. And it's kind of nice here where we are. So yeah, look at the carpeting backing me here. Got a view outside there, up on the terrace here. It's kind of nice little ceiling up here. So yeah, I'm actually thirsty for a nice hot cup of Moroccan tea. I'll show you how it is here in a minute. Okay. This is the mosque on the other side here. And you can see it down there, right from our viewpoint up here. There it is, yeah, look at that. I'll come back in here and sit back down at my little table here. Here we go. Alright, all the carpeting on the walls. I have a couple of these prayer rugs at home I bought in Saudi Arabia, little smaller ones, individual size. So this is my cup of Moroccan tea here. See, it's steaming hot. The glass is very hot to the touch, very hot to the touch here. The look inside, it has mint in it. There's mint tea is basically the Moroccan tea. Mint's fine. Need a good, mint's good for the system here. So yeah, we're gonna have that here pretty soon. So yeah, look at that tea down there. Yeah, it's gonna be hot tea here. So we're gonna have that here pretty soon. Okay. Guys down there with the copper, working on the copper down there. Jibber jabbering with his buddy there while he's working. You know, his bro there. So he takes a break every now and then.